for so long. There's been a lot going on, and just a lot going on lately, so I'm gonna try to start posting a lot more. But today we are gonna be doing a review on my new short throw shifter. I haven't really posted up on anything except TikTok, so if you haven't followed that, go follow that. It'll be on the screen. But then so I haven't really posted anything about anything going on lately, so yeah, so we'll show you guys how it looks. Don't mind the dirtiness. It's a little bit dirty. On that side it's alright though. So here is the VMS short throw shifter. Adjustable. With the energy, real carbon fiber energy shift knob. Yep, there it is down there. So that's the shifter that I just showed you guys. I've been really enjoying it lately. It's very fun and it makes shifting so much easier and feels so much better. So if I would recommend this, I would recommend this to people. It's a bit of a cheaper option, so you don't have to spend so much money on like the K-Tune or like the other stuff. But let's show you guys how this bad boy shifts. My car's on, so I obviously have to put the clutch in. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. First, second, third. I know I need to go back underneath the car and tighten up the bolt down there so it's a bit tighter of a shift. But for now, it does the job. Short throw shifter. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's not a very long video. If anything pops up during the day, I'll add it into the video. But thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I already did an intro, so don't mind that. But this is going to be another part to my other one. I'm going to be getting underneath the car for my VMS short throw shifter. I'll talk more about it when I'm done. But right now I'm going to be tightening the bolt to make it a little bit more shorter throw. So let's get to it. So on the VMS short throw shifter, all you would need to do to adjust the throws of the shift would be 213s, because the bolt likes to spin. So let's get into the car so I can show you guys what I'm exactly talking about. Alright guys, all I did was adjust, let me see if I can find it really quick. I just adjusted the bolt right there. It's at 13mm if you get the VMS short throw shifter. Adjusted it, made it a little bit tighter, so that now it's minty, shifts hella good. And to install that, you have to make it easier, you don't have to, I just dropped the shift linkage, half of it, not the full thing, from the transmission, 12mm, and dropped the whole thing. Alright guys, as you saw in the last clip, I was underneath the car and I showed you guys what bolts do. So I think from the OEM factory, from the actual like OEM shifter, it was about, I think it was 12mm for the bolts, and then 12mm for the top bolt where it connects to the actual transmission, where the shift linkage connects, to drop the whole shift linkage down so you can get the short throw shifter in. It was a bit of a pain because I was the bolts were rusted out and everything, but I had a buddy with me, so he helped me, and we just PV blasted the bolts, so kind of like WD-40, so they came loose. So yeah, we did that. But so a little review on it, I've been enjoying it. I just tightened the bolts a little bit more, as you see, so I can get a shorter throw, because I wasn't liking it. It wasn't short enough for me, but now it's A1. I like how it feels. So yeah, it feels good. I definitely would recommend it. It's a cheaper option than K-Tune, because K-Tune shifters are like 200 bucks. I was looking at that, but I didn't want to drop that much because I'm building my other motor. So I didn't want to spend that much money because I was building my other motor, so I wanted a short throw shifter, so I got the VMS short throw shifter, adjustable height, pretty much adjustable everything. It's a little ball that goes into the actual shifter area, like in between, underneath the car and from the top of the car, kind of where that little cover goes. You can adjust the height. I adjusted that to the max it can go on the threading. I didn't want to go any more off the threading because then it would be sketch. So I adjusted that to the max, so it's the max short throws you can get, and I've been enjoying it very much. So I would recommend it, 10 out of 10. Not sponsored, nothing like that. I just would recommend getting it because it's a cheaper alternative. I got it from eBay. It's a VMS short throw shifter adjustable height. If I can find the link, I'll probably put it in the description. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very short video, nothing very long, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. Stay tuned to next week's video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night, and I'll see you guys later.